Today we're going to be installing a mod that I've always wanted to install on my Lancer here, and that's this Evo front lip. And that's because I have the Evo conversion kit on my Lancer here. To make this lip work though, I think we're going to have to do some cutting, but I think we can make it work. Also, we're going to clean up the front end here by fixing around the fog light. Also, we're going to clean the front here with a fresh repaint to kind of spice up the front end again because I've neglected it. Like I said, I want to be painting this up because it has been chipping away over the years. It actually has been 4 years since I painted my bumper. Alright, now that we have the bumper off, we're going to actually be taking off the back side of it. But now that I'm actually looking at it, these bolts are a lot more rusty than I thought they were going to be. Hopefully they come off easily. If not, I can go to the store and pick up some other ones. Now it's time to paint up the grill. First, we're going to start off with plastic adhesive promoter so the paint will stick. Whew, that's much better. And I don't know why I haven't done this for 4 years. But man, does it look so much better than it did. Just look at that. Cleans up the front end completely. All right, now that I'm letting the paint settle before I install the grill back on, we're gonna be taking off the lip that I have on it right now. I know the exact spec on what lip this is, but I put it on right when I painted the bumper. So I'm hoping when I take this off that the paint behind it isn't chipping. I actually never painted this or anything. This is good condition, but it's not the style that I wanted. You know, I'm not gonna do it now because I just painted it. Imagine if I painted the grill white. Imagine if I completely whited out the grill. I think it would look pretty cool. Obviously, I just painted this, so I'm not gonna do that. From just looking at this, it kind of made me think it might actually look pretty cool if it was whited out like that. So that's a potential for maybe later on down the road. We'll see though. I thought it was a pretty cool little thought in my head. But like I said, I just used screws to put this on back in the day. It's just turning it like this. Through these self-tappers in it, so it'll be pretty easy to take them off. This was a really good quality lip, and if I didn't pick up the Evo one, I would have totally kept this one. It's still in great shape, and it really did form with the car pretty well. So I was pretty happy with this lip. I'll link this one down below if you guys want it. If you guys don't really want the Evo one, you guys could pick up this one. All right, got the old lip off. So we're gonna clean it all up just so it's not so dirty, fix all that. And then we're gonna paint this, but I'm gonna test fit the lip to see if how much I really need to paint of this. If does it cover it? Should I make this black? Now I want to test fit to see if this even fits. I might not even need to paint. Just I don't know if it really fits in. We ran into our first slight problem here simply because this is the Evo conversion kit bumper and not an Evo bumper. It actually is not fitting correctly. So over here, I'm thinking we're gonna have to trim a little bit here. Lip from Racing Bees They did tell me that the guy that did install it before me on his Evo conversion had to do some trimming. And at first I thought maybe I was gonna have to trim the back of it, but I think if I just trim a little bit of the edges here, I'll be able to make it work. Hopefully. I'm gonna start with this one side. I was fooling around with it for a little bit, trying to squish it in and see if it would fit, but I couldn't quite get it. So I'm gonna do a little bit of dremeling. Of cutting is done, and it turned out to be a lot more cutting. This is what we basically cut off the Evo lip. Alright, so after a long couple hours, we finally got the lip pretty much all cut. It fits. The only thing is I don't have the grill piece in, so I'm gonna install that real quick so we can finally put it all together and see if it fits. The only thing is I did break a couple clips there. Alright, so I picked up this adhesive stuff. I don't really plan on taking it off ever again after this time. I painted it for the last time. Some new screws and some washers. Alright, now that we have the grill all put back together, looking good, it's finally time to install these things. Now, I wasn't sure, like I said, if I wanted to paint this whole thing black or if I wanted to paint these white. As you guys can tell, I did have to trim a lot more than I thought I was gonna have to trim, but it turned out really nice. Alright, so the bumper is all put back together. Everything's all done up. Now it's time to install it back on the car. That looks so sick. After many hours cutting her up, oh good, especially with the logo finally on her, the fresh paint. There is a couple things on her I'll show you guys real quick. The gapping here, it's a little off, way more than I thought. Like I said, I had to cut a lot here for it to fit, but especially with the fog light covers on, it looks so good. Planning on doing this to your Evo conversion kit yourself, just know you are gonna have to cut a lot of the lip itself. Like, we probably got at least rid of 2 fingers, if not more, on the corners here, and then we had to trim down the sides too. But overall, it does look really good. Obviously, it looks exactly like the Evo now. Do it yourself. Make sure you cut the lip before you paint it. Unfortunately, I couldn't do that because I got it painted before I could cut it and install it, but it still turned out really good. I'll link the lip down below if you guys want it for yourself. And as always guys, I'll see you on the next video, whenever that shall be. As always, stay rippin'.